23:19 quickly.
Numbers
23:19. You will not make it, you will not succeed. Said, the purpose of God in my life will come to pass.
Amen.
You are not my God. Do you know some men, when they buy something for their wife misbehave? If it was not me, you won't be in Canada. If it is not me, you don't know how to walk safe. You don't know how to speak English. You are boasting on language that you yourself you borrowed. Even your own language, you can't write it, you can't read it, and you say you are educated. Spend it with that nonsense. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Let's go on.
God is not a man.
God is not like Apostle Chris or Reverend Agbey or Brother Ben or any one of us to lie. Amen.
Amen.
Neither the Son of Man that he should repent.
Neither the Son of Man to repent of what he has said. Because you made a mistake, I changed my mind. God never changes his mind. But what? When you make a mistake, you sin, you prolong the blessing that's supposed to come quickly for you. Go on. Yeah.
And
has he said?
And shall he not do it?
And will he not do it?
Or hath he spoken?
Has he not spoken?
And shall he not make it good?
And shall he not make it to good or come to pass? Whatever God has said about you this morning, before you were blood in your mother's womb, before you were born, I'm here to tell you, it will come to pass. I can hear you shouting, hallelujah. Whatever God has said about you, it will come to pass. Whether your friends like it or not, whether your parents like it or not, whether witches or wizards like it or not, it will come to pass.
Hallelujah.
That is why you need to embrace him, hold him, walk with him, irrespective of anything you are going through. Amen. He has promised and he will never
change.
fail.
Hallelujah. Amen.
He has promised and he will never. Okay. We have 7 points here before we leave here. Amen?
Amen.
Number 1, he has destined you to overcome Satan. 1, sin. 2, hell. 3, and the grave, and live 100% victorious.
Amen.
That is how God has made you. So whether you like it or not, I am victorious. Whether you like it or not, I am victorious. So don't judge me with my present situation. You are judging a victorious person in the future.
Amen.
My today does not determine what I'll be tomorrow. I might not have it today, but I'm going to have it tomorrow. I might not be rich today, I'm going to be rich tomorrow. I might not be great today, I'll be great tomorrow. Yeah, shout hallelujah. Shout hallelujah. I said shout hallelujah. The church is only just here. Shout hallelujah. Shout hallelujah. We are in the church of Jesus Christ. Nobody can tell you your destiny is Jesus. Follow him. Even when you fall, stand. Wipe yourself. Continue. Even he himself, when he took the cross, he fell. It wasn't easy. The Christian race is not easy. When somebody fell, let's raise the person up. Encourage the person. Hallelujah.
Amen.
There is falling in sin and living in sin. The one living in sin, Bible says don't pray. Leave him, he will die. But the one who fall, we pray for him to restore.